RiseExtender frame for the upgrading of existing block system installations. Start with removing all the block components from the transit frame. Remove any dirt or grease from the inside of the frame and the cable jackets. Position the two halves of the extender frame around the bundle of cables. Then push the extender frame into the transit frame. The fitting must be very tight for stability reasons. The flanges on the top and bottom of the extender frame must be firmly seated against the transit frame. These flanges are 10 mm high, corresponding with the wall thickness of the block system transits. This enables the extender frame to fit in multi-window transit units without any problems. Install the bolts and nuts on the top and bottom flanges and tighten them. For optimum stability, the extender frame can be spot welded to the existing frame. The extender frame, positioned inside the transit frame, leaves 20 mm free at the back of the transit. This is for the bonding of the FIWA sealant to the existing frame. Place a rise insert sleeve around each cable and push them into the extender frame. After that, any empty space is filled with rise filler sleeves. Center the rise sleeves within the conduit so as to leave 20 mm free space at the front and the back of the transit. These spaces are filled with FIWA sealant. To smooth the surface of the sealant layer, a cloth is sprayed with water. This prevents the sealant from sticking to the cloth. The cloth is then used to press down the sealant layer. The surface can be further smoothed by hand. Just wet the hand with soap and water. No dirty hands when working with FIWA, and a very neat surface is the result. The other side of the transit is treated in a similar way. For higher rated divisions, the extender frame can also be used with the no-furno system. For A-class penetrations, the conduit needs to be insulated only at the insulated side of the bulkhead or at the lower side of the deck. No extra insulation is needed in front of the penetration or in between the cables. RiseExtender frames instantly double the usable space inside any block system transit frame and eliminate the need for cutting new penetrations in valuable bulkhead or deck space.